Guess the tools and construction equipment, level 16. Hammer drill, belt sander, circular saw, track saw, melter saw. Are you ready for the next level?